Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. I'm George and this is You Want to Watch. This week's project's a real quick little video. Found me a pair of proto pliers, slip joint pliers. Threw a little bit of oil on there and threw them on the wire wheel just to clean them up to make sure that they were proto. And they happen to be. Here we go, finally zoomed in for me. So I think what I want to do is clean these up and take you along for the trip, all right? Let's get at it. There we go. Proto pliers. Like I said again, it was a total mystery what they were. I just picked them out of a big pile of rusty tools, took a chance on them and cleaned them up, and well, what do you know? So, like always guys, stay safe, be safe. See you next week with another video. Bye. Yo guys, what's up? Hey guys, I'm George and this is You Want to Watch. This week's project, found a little pair of pliers at our local flea market. Threw it on the wire wheel. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Hey guys, I'm George and this is You Want to Watch. This week's project, found a little pair of pliers at our local flea market. Fucking itchy nose.